Do you want to unsync contacts on TikTok? You can turn off sync contacts on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unsync contacts on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of your profile. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. A new screen will appear. Tap on Privacy under the Account section. Now, scroll down and tap on Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends under the Discoverability section. You'll see a toggle switch button next to Sync Contacts. Now, turn off the toggle switch button next to Sync Contacts. After turning it off, you can delete already synced contacts by tapping on Remove Previously Synced Contacts. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Remove to confirm. You can also unsync Facebook friends like this.